Welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, let us see about manually schedule versus auto schedule in Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project has got two task modes. One is manual schedule and the other is auto schedule. The difference between manual and automatic scheduling is that in manual scheduling, you must schedule each task individually, whereas automatic scheduling does the entire scheduling for you. For example, in the simple schedule, we have a summary task and 4 subsidiary tasks, all manually scheduled and given finish to start relationship with each other. Based on this information, summary task should end by 24th November, but the end date is being shown as 28th October. If you observe, there are red lines underlined under the end dates of all activities indicating something is wrong. Now observe carefully what happens when I change the task mode from manually scheduled to auto schedule. First, let me do for the 4 activities. You can observe that the red line is getting disappeared, and the summary task is still showing 0 days as duration. Okay, now let's change the summary task to auto schedule mode. We see a difference. Our summary task now runs from the earliest start date to the late finish date of its subsidiary tasks as expected, and also the red line have disappeared. Let us get into one more example. Here also we have got some auto schedule and manual schedule activities with the finish to start relationships. If I change the duration of the identify objective task, the end date automatically gets updated and the successor get business license, which is an auto schedule activity, will also get updated with the start and end dates based on the dependency. But you will observe that the next activity, register the business, will not move as it is a manually scheduled activity. Then you might be thinking, what's the purpose of manual schedule mode when it is not getting updated? This mode can be used when we don't have the complete information of the task. Let us add a task above the investment activity. Select the 7th row, click on Insert Task button. Type the name of the task as Final Review. You can see that the task mode has the manual schedule icon, that is push pin icon, and we have a question mark indicating that some information is missing over there. Now if you don't know the duration or the dates of this activity, you can add simple text notes in the fields for your identification like this. Say after some days you get the information that the meeting can happen on 5th December. Then you need to simply enter the date in the start field like this, and you can see the change in the Gantt chart like this. If the activity is getting completed on the same day, mention the same day in the end date as well. You can see the duration showing as 1 day now. So you can see that the question mark in the task mode got disappeared as we have provided all the information. Now you can come and update this activity whenever this happens and having no dependency with other activities. Okay, to summarize, manual scheduling in Microsoft Project means you are free to set the start dates of the individual project tasks. This gives the flexibility to schedule each task at the date you want it to start. Whereas, on the other hand, automatic scheduling takes care of the entire scheduling for you. Just you need to tell the project start date, set durations, apply relationships, and the schedule automatically updates. So friends, this is all about manual schedule versus auto schedule in Microsoft Project. Use them effectively. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.